Oops. Hi guys, so what is up? Today, as you can tell, I'm gonna be doing a challenge video and I'm only gonna be eating black colored food for 24 hours. Also, please ignore my bra showing. This dress is impossible to cover up my bra. Yeah, ignore that. Because I know it's just gonna be popping out throughout the video, so warning. Okay, this is actually a better view. I'm also wearing a black dress because we're gonna be eating black colored food. I thought that was a good idea. I don't know. But you guys seem to like my video of me only eating pink food for 24 hours. So if you guys haven't seen that, definitely check it out. I will link it below. This is gonna be a struggle and a half, but we're up for the challenge. We got this. So since I don't really have any black colored food, let's go to the grocery store. Also, here's a little view of my dress. Super cute and fresh. Love that. Say hello. I will see you in like an hour. My bra! Made it to the grocery store. Now let's get these groceries. Where do we start? We're gonna start one side of the grocery store and go through every single aisle. That's gonna take a minute. They have green noodles, but where are the black ones? I saw them online. These aren't black. Guys, why didn't I see these for my pink colored food video? I'm mad. They have pink, green, all of these color. Where is black? The struggle, man. This is a lot harder than I thought. Oh my gosh. That's brown, dang it. Since when did Oreos have a cereal? Okay, I hate these, but they're gonna have to do. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna do about water. I was trying to find chlorophyll that I can put in regular water, but I can't find any, so I'm trying to find water that's the closest color to blacks. This is black cherry. I feel like this will do. Okay, I'll get one of these too. Okay. Mission complete. Guys, that was a lot harder than I thought. I feel like this is way harder than the pink food. We got this. I am so hungry. I am ready to eat. First off, we're gonna go to Starbucks and get a black iced coffee. Ugh, it's gonna taste so bitter. Let's do this. We're at Starbucks. Hi, can I just get a grande iced black coffee with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla? Okay. I added sugar-free vanilla, which is like clear, so it'll still make the coffee black. I need some type of sweetener in it. Thank you, you too. Okay, guys, we got it. I need to situate myself real quick. It looks like a little brown. I think coffee's just brown, but am I cheating already? Okay, let's taste this. Ooh, that sun glare though. Absolutely not. Ugh. The more I drink it, it's not that bad, but it's pushing it. I just set everything out, and shout out to Oreos because they really came through. It's gonna be hard making meals out of this. Yikes. Also, I decided to take out these because they're like a dark red kind of color, so we're not gonna do these. In the packaging, it looked black, but they fooled me. It is currently time for breakfast. I'm super hungry. I don't know how people drink that. For breakfast, we're gonna have some Oreos. I'm really excited to try this. This looks bomb. We can't drink any milk with it because it's white, so we're just gonna have dry cereal. Whew, okay. Oh, we're crooked. We have our, oh. Why? For breakfast, we have our iced coffee and then our Oreos with no milk. They have a little bit of white on it, but the base is black, okay. Oh my gosh. These are amazing. What the heck? Wait, actually so bomb. Wow. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna finish these up and then I will see you guys for snack time. Well. Ooh, it is snack time. We have a lot of options. So I think I'm gonna have this bar because it looks good. This is the RX bar and this is in chocolate sea salt. I'm really hoping it's black because if not, I'm not gonna eat it. Okay. feel like it's pretty close to black. It's like in between a dark brown and a black. Me trying to convince myself. Okay, what do you guys think? So I'm just gonna eat it. Inside of it has 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, and no BS. Oh my god, that was the best catch ever. I'm also gonna have some Oreos because those sound bomb. Look at all of those. Oh, you can see me. These are so good. Okay guys, so it is lunchtime. This is what I was thinking for lunch. Veggie burger, and I'm just gonna overcook it a little bit just so it turns a little black, so it gets a little crusty because we're only eating black food today. So let's first make this. I'm also gonna make an extra one for dinner. So while our burgers are burning, I'm gonna prepare the other stuff. So let's do that. Black beans. Oh. Whoa, do you guys see that? I really need to turn on the fan. Fire alarm is literally gonna go off. I'm gonna leave the other one over there for dinner. Ready. Yum. Lunch is served. Can we just take a moment at this burger? Yeah. We got some kombucha, some black olives, a burnt burger, and some black beans. This is the weirdest lunch I've ever had. Okay, let's try this burger. So crunchy. If it wasn't burnt, it would be so good. Oh, those aren't bad. We got our black beans, which I love black beans. Okay, those are so good. Nice. You wanna try it? He's like, absolutely not. He's so cute. I have like cat hair in my mouth. Okay, moving on. So since lunch was a fail, I'm gonna eat some blackberries because I need to eat something. Okay. Yes. This is my cat stalking me. Ooh! That blackberry flew. These are saving my day. Clean you guys off. It is time for snack time. First of all, we have organic blue corn tortilla chips with flax seeds. I know it says blue corn. I feel like it could pass for black. It is just so hard to find black food. Woo. Yum. These would be really good with some salsa or guacamole. I really need some water. I'm also gonna be snacking on some black licorice. I am not a fan of black licorice. I think it's so gross. Like compared to red licorice, black licorice cannot compare. Okay, it's not that bad, but like, ugh. We should get something to drink downstairs because these are really dry without like guac and salsa. Let's go. Okay, let's try this. I know this is like dark purple, but literally there's no black water unless I found like chlorophyll. And there's no chlorophyll at the grocery store, which you guys saw. Changed into my pajamas because comfy is life. Am I right? I feel like the drama between Cody Co and Jake Paul. Who likes Minions? Dinner time. Ew. So I totally forgot about the blackberry jelly. I'm not really sure what I would eat with this, so I guess we're skipping her. Well, I have my burnt burger. I'm acting like I'm gonna actually eat this. It's not the case. I can't wait to actually eat after this. I'm just gonna skip to dessert because, do I even have to explain? I am so excited to try these. Wow. I got crumbs everywhere when you're too lazy to sweep. That's what it looks like. This makes everything worth it. Hi. That is all the black colored food that we are gonna be consuming today. Are you trying to make an appearance? Definitely comment below, let me know if there's any other colored foods you guys want me to do because I will definitely do them. We can do green, blue, white, anything, you name it. This one was so hard. I'm ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.